So hello guys, in this video we are going to solve this problem. So in this problem you can see that it is given that in figure there is one quarter circle and one semicircle. So this is our quarter circle and this is our semicircle, and OA is given as 4 centimeter. So this is given as 4 centimeter, and there is the circle also. Then you have to find the radius of this blue circle. So you have to find the radius of this blue circle. So let's see how we can solve this. So you see this figure. In this figure, let's assume the radius of the circle is capital R. So this circle radius, let's assume it is capital R. And in this figure, you can also see that this OP is equal to this YX. So OP is equal to YX. You can easily see that in this figure. And this XQ and XP, which is XQ is this and XP is this, both are equal to the radius, because X is the center of this circle and Q and P point are lying on the circle, so both distance are equal to the radius. From center to the any point on the circle, distance is equal to the radius, we know. So now this is the thing. Now you also see that if this is R, then this is also capital R, because both distances are same, you can see in this figure. So this YO is also equal to the capital R, and now you know this OA as 4 centimeter. So you can also see that this OQ is also 4 centimeter, because A point is also lying on this quarter circle and Q point is also lying on this quarter circle, and O is the center of the quarter circle. So OA distance and OQ distance both will be the same for this quarter circle, we know. So now OA and OQ both are equal to the 4 centimeter, we know. Now we also know this is equal to the capital R. So we can easily calculate this distance OX as this OQ minus XQ, which is 4 minus R. So now we know OX distance and this XP distance also. And we know this is a right angle triangle. From center to the tangent, this is one perpendicular, we know. So it is 90-degree angle. So what we can do, we can apply the Pythagorean theorem in the triangle POX. So this is P, this is O, this is X. So we can apply Pythagorean theorem, and we can write OP square is equal to OX square minus XP square. OX we know just this is 4 minus R, so it's whole square, and we know this is capital R, so this whole square, and after simplifying it will become like 16 plus R square minus 8R minus R square. So this will cancel and it will become 16 minus 8R. So now we know OP square value as 16 minus 8R. So you can also see that this is one semicircle, and we know this OA is 4. So this OB is also equal to the 4, because this is also equal to the radius of this semicircle, this quarter circle. So if this is 4, we know this is also 4, because this is the same as the radius of this quarter circle. So now we know if this is 4, then we know Z is the center. Here we are assuming Z is the center of this semicircle. So we know this is like the, let's say this semicircle radius is R dash. So we know this distance is R dash and this distance is also R dash. So we can write 2 times R dash is equal to 4. So we can find the radius of the semicircle as 2 centimeter. So I just write that here. So now we know this distance is 2 centimeter and this distance is also 2 centimeter. But we know this distance is capital R, so we can write this distance as 2 minus R. So this ZY distance is 2 minus R. And we know from the Z to the any point on the circle, this distance is also equal to the radius, which is 2. And we know from the X point to this point, this distance is capital R. So we can write this whole distance ZX as 2 plus R. And now you see the triangle YZX. So this is Y, this is Z, and this is X. So in this triangle, what we can say, this is 2 plus R, this is 2 minus R. So we can write this YX square as ZX square minus ZY square, which is 2 plus R whole square minus 2 minus R whole square, which is 4 plus R square plus 4R minus 4 plus R square minus 4R, which is 8R. So YX square we calculated as 8R from here. And previously you see we calculated this OP square as 16 minus R, and we initially say that this OP and YX are same. So this OP square is same as this YX square. So what you can do, so you can equate this 16 minus R to this 8R, and from here you can calculate the radius of this circle as 1 centimeter. So now you know the radius of this circle. So you see this figure. in this figure, let's assume the blue circle radius is this small x. So our goal is to find the value of the small x, so which is the radius of this blue circle. So now you see the triangle UVZ. So this is U point, this is V point, and this is Z point. So we know if this is x, then we know this distance UO is also small x. And we know this whole distance is 2, so this remaining distance is simply 2 minus x. We know this distance is 2 and this inner distance is x, so this whole distance ZV will become like 2 plus x, which is this. And we know ZU is 2 minus x, which is this. So we know this is 2 minus x, and we know this whole distance is 2 plus x. So we can calculate this UV distance after applying the Pythagorean theorem in the triangle UVZ, because we know this is right angle triangle. So we can write UV square as ZV square minus ZU square. Z we know it is 2 plus x, and ZU it is 2 minus x. So after simplifying, it will become like 8x. You can simplify this. So from here we can calculate the UV value as 2 root of 2x. So this is the UV value. Now you see, this is the V point, this is the W, and this is the X. Now we are seeing the XWV triangle. So we know this is X, and we know the radius of the circle is 1. So this remaining distance is 1 minus X, we can say. And we know this distance is 1, and we know this distance is small x. So this whole distance is 1 plus x. So this distance is 1 minus x, and from the V point to the X point, this distance is 1 plus x. So we can calculate this VW after applying the Pythagorean theorem in the triangle XWV as VW square is equal to this 1 plus x whole square minus 1 minus x whole square. After simplifying, VW value will come as 2 times root x. Now initially you see we calculated this OP square as 16 minus capital R. Now we know the capital R is 1 centimeter, which is the radius of this circle. So we can calculate OP square as simply 16 minus 8 times 1, which is 8. So OP value we know it is 2 root 2. So now we know the OP length value, and in this figure you can see that this is OP, which is same as this UV plus VW. So it is same as UV plus VW, which is equal to the OP. UV we calculated as 2 root of 2x, and VW is 2 root of x, and OP we know it is 2 root 2. So this 2 will cancel and it will become root of 2x and root of x, and plus is equal to root 2. And from here you can take root x common, and it will become like this, which is equal to root 2. So from here root x is equal to root 2 divided by root 2 plus 1. And you can multiply by root 2 minus 1 numerator and denominator. So it will become like root 2 times root 2 minus 1, because the denominator will become like 2 minus 1, which is 1. So this is the thing, and you can square, it will become like 4 plus 2 minus 4 root 2, which is 6 minus 4 root 2 centimeter, which is the radius of the blue circle. And in this way we can solve this problem. So hope you like the video, then we will meet in the next.